Hello friends! In this video, we intend to provide a comprehensive review of the WhiteBIT exchange. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in Europe in terms of user traffic, this platform was launched in 2018 and is a subsidiary of the WhiteBIT group, a group that today serves more than 35 million users worldwide. WhiteBIT has official partnerships with major brands such as FC Barcelona, Visa, Face, the Ukrainian national football team, and Trabzonspor, demonstrating that in the crypto world, it is not just a simple exchange, but a powerful global platform that is helping to expand blockchain worldwide. As you can see, according to this information, with over 330 digital assets, 780 trading pairs, support for 9 fiat currencies, and a daily trading volume of $2.5 billion, WhiteBIT has become the first choice for millions of traders around the world. You can see the logos of this exchange's business partners in this section. Together with reputable global partners, WhiteBIT has introduced a new level of security, features, and trust to the world of trading. To register on the WhiteBIT exchange, after entering the official website of this exchange in the Create Your Account section, enter an email address that you have not previously used to open an account and click on the Join option. Then enter a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have a referral code, enter it in this section. If not, you can get our referral code through support. Then click on these two options to confirm that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions of this exchange. And finally, select the Continue option. At this stage, a code has been sent to your registered email address for email address verification. Open the inbox of your registered email address, and as you can see, we have received the email. Copy the code from this section and paste it here. At this stage, a page will open where you need to select your preferred language for the exchange. Select English and click on the Confirm option. At this point, you have entered the identity verification stage. If you wish, you can proceed with identity verification right now. Complete the required fields. Otherwise, click on the later option and complete the KYC process at another time, and you will be taken directly to the trading dashboard on WhiteBIT exchange. Here it informs us that with just a 5-minute identity verification, you can access all the features of the WhiteBIT exchange. This process not only enables full use of the exchange's services, but also secures your account and assets. The required steps for identity verification start with entering your personal information. The second part is uploading valid identification documents such as your national ID card or passport, and the third step is facial verification. In the country selection section, you must choose your country of residence. For example, if you reside in India, you select this country from the list of countries. After completing the information, we click on the Proceed to Verification option to start the identity verification process. At this stage, there are two options for identity verification, and you can choose one depending on your needs. Standard verification. At this stage, you only need to fill out the personal information form and upload your identification documents. This option is sufficient for accessing most of the exchange's basic services. However, with full verification, by selecting this option, you will be able to access all advanced features, including the exclusive WhiteBIT Nova card. This option is recommended for professional traders and those who intend to make full use of the services. Simply choose one of these two options and follow the steps according to the instructions so that your account can be fully verified. By selecting this option, you will begin the verification process. In this section, you must declare that you are not a US citizen, Then click on the Continue option, and in this part, enter your personal information. After completing this form, click on Continue. And if you wish to continue this process on your mobile phone, click on the Continue on Mobile option. The next step concerns the documents you need to upload. Select the desired option and click on Continue. In this section, you need to upload a photo of your national ID card for the exchange. Please note that the photo must be clear, sharp, and the text on the document must be legible. Click on Continue, and at this stage, it will prompt you to allow camera access on the device you are using for verification and hold your national ID card in front of the camera. We will complete the remaining steps using a mobile phone. Click on the Continue on Phone option, and by scanning this QR code with your mobile phone's camera, you can continue the process on your phone, or you can copy the link below and open it. After completing the KYC process and uploading the documents, as you can see, our identity verification on the WhiteBIT exchange was successfully completed and accepted by the exchange. By clicking on the Top Up Balances option, we can now fund your account on the WhiteBIT exchange. By clicking on the WhiteBIT option in this section, we return to the trading dashboard on this exchange. As you can see, there is a green check mark next to our profile, which means our account on this exchange has been verified. If we also click on the verification option, we are taken to this page. It states that our identity verification process has been completed.
In the first part of the tutorial, we will get acquainted with the products menu in the WhiteBIT exchange. This menu consists of three main sections: You Earn, You Finance, and You Grow. In the first section regarding You Earn, which is related to earning income, there are several subsections. The first part is about Launchpad, which allows you to enter new crypto projects earlier than others. This feature is suitable for those who are interested in investing in emerging projects. One of the most attractive features of the WhiteBIT exchange is the Launchpad section. Here, you have the opportunity to invest in promising projects before they are publicly listed. Examples of completed projects offered in this section are displayed for you, and the overall statistics of the Launchpad are also shown here. There have been about 2,483 unique participants, over $2.5 million in capital raised, and 6 projects launched so far. These statistics show that the Launchpad is not just an additional feature, but rather a serious launching platform for investors and new projects. The next section is related to crypto lending. In the lending section, or crypto lending, you can lend your cryptocurrencies and earn interest in return. In other words, you can have passive income here without the need to trade. In the lending dashboard section, you can view your total deposits, total earned interest, and today's interest. By clicking on the history option, your deposit history will be displayed, and the active plans button shows your currently active plans. In the crypto lending section, there are 2 types of plans, the fixed plan and the flex plan. In the fixed plan section, you will see time-based plans with higher interest rates, while in the flex plans, you can withdraw freely at any time. As you can see, the interest rate varies depending on the cryptocurrency. For example, USDC offers the highest interest, while Bitcoin provides less interest compared to the other options. For each cryptocurrency, there is a choose plan option, so you can start lending with just a few simple clicks. The next section is about the referral program. With The Invite Friends program, if you invite your friends and they trade, you can receive up to 50% of their trading fees, and this amount will be paid to you by the exchange. In the referral section, your unique referral link is available, which you can copy and send to your friends and acquaintances, or by clicking the Share QR Code button, you can send them your exclusive QR code. The information related to your invitees will be displayed to you in this section. The next section is related to the affiliate program, where you can introduce WhiteBIT to your audience and earn income through your unique link. This feature is suitable for influencers or bloggers. By clicking the Join Now option, you can start your registration in this section and receive your exclusive link. The next section is about Auto Invest, which allows you to automate your investments. All you need to do is set up a plan and let your portfolio grow over time. You can also view information related to this section's dashboard here. The next section is related to the U-Finance category, with the first option being Nova Card. The Nova Card is a virtual card that allows you to make purchases with cryptocurrencies and receive up to 10% cash back. By clicking on the Get Your Card option, you can start your registration for this service. The next section is about Borrow. In this section, you can borrow cryptocurrency, for example, whether for trading, transferring, or even personal use. With Crypto Borrow in WhiteBIT, you can easily get a crypto loan without having to sell your assets. All you need is to have some assets as collateral, and with just a few clicks, you can submit your loan request. If you have any questions, you can find the answers through the FAQ section here. The next section is related to codes. In this section, you can send cryptocurrency to others without paying network fees. There are two options, create and activate, for generating a code and activating a code. You select your desired cryptocurrency, and by entering the amount and clicking create, you can generate it. On the right side of the page, the process of creating a code is explained for you. The next section is related to QuickSend, which is designed for fast transfers of cryptocurrency to any other user on the WhiteBIT exchange. There is no need to enter a wallet address, and in this section, you are able to make internal transfers. By clicking on the Fund New User option, you can search for your desired trader. To make your first transfer, the first step is to search for the user you want, and you can find the user by their nickname using the search bar in this section. In the second step, select the desired currency, and after entering the amount and finalizing the transaction, you can send it directly in the personal chat. The next section is related to AML. In this part, you can check cryptocurrency addresses to make sure that no illegal activity has been conducted with them. For example, we select the TRX currency, and by entering the address, we can check this case. The next option is related to gift cards, where you can use cryptocurrencies to purchase a gift card and send it to others with just a few clicks. As you can see, by entering the country and the desired amount, you are able to purchase the gift card. The next section is related to the UGRO category, with the first part being institutional services. In this section, you can see services specifically designed for companies and large financial institutions for professional asset management, and you can find information about this service here. The next section is about the market making program. This part is a program for market makers who provide liquidity to the market. By clicking on the Apply Now option, you can start your registration in this section. The next section is related to token listing. This part is for crypto projects that want to get listed on WhiteBIT. This section is useful for crypto projects that want to get listed on WhiteBIT. And if you want to list your desired token on this exchange, you can start your registration by clicking on the Apply Now option. In this section as well, you can submit your request to apply for listing your desired token. The next section is related to payment for businesses. This is a cryptocurrency payment service for businesses that makes customer payments easier. To use this section, you can complete your registration by clicking on the Apply Now option. The next section is about the crypto as a service. This service allows companies to integrate crypto services into their own systems. To collaborate in this section, we can start the partnership process by clicking on the Let's Talk option. The next section is about the VIP program of the WhiteBIT exchange. The VIP program is designed for high-volume traders or special users, offering them exclusive discounts and services. In this section, it states that as your trading volume and account balance increase, you will receive lower fees, dedicated support, and more exclusive benefits. Currently, we are at the basic level with standard fees, and to upgrade, we need a higher trading volume or average balance. The next section is about the API. API access for connecting bots or automated systems to the exchange is provided to traders in this section. By clicking the Start option, you can access more features related to this. The next option is related to the Ambassador program, where if you are a fan of WhiteBIT, you can become a brand ambassador and earn income through your activities. If you are a fan of the WhiteBIT exchange, you can become an ambassador for this brand and earn income through your activities. By clicking the Become an Ambassador button, you can start your registration in this section. In this section, individuals with more than 5,000 followers who are interested in crypto, blockchain, or finance can become brand ambassadors and enjoy special benefits. To register, simply click on this button. The next and final section is related to the TradingView platform, where you can use the powerful TradingView platform for technical analysis. This section provides professional tools for precise traders. By clicking the Start Trading option, you will enter TradingView and be able to analyze the chart. Please note that at the bottom of the page, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication for increased security. By doing this, only we will have access to the account. The next section pertains to the trading section, which includes several subsections. The first part is related to the convert section. Quickly convert your assets without the need for complex order placement. Suitable for beginner users or for quickly buying cryptocurrency, and no additional fees are charged. By selecting your desired currency and the currency you wish to receive, enter the amount, and by clicking the Continue option, your Bitcoin will be converted to USDT. By clicking the Accept option, your cryptocurrency conversion is successfully completed, and then we click on Go to Balances. And as you can see in this section, the amount of USDT you have in the WhiteBIT exchange is displayed. And by clicking on the history option, you can review your transaction history. The next section is related to spot. In this section, cryptocurrencies are bought and sold directly with full ownership, making it suitable for daily traders and medium-term investors. You can see professional technical analysis tools in this section. By entering the spot section, you are able to carry out your trades, and in the history section, your past orders and trades are displayed to you. In this section, by clicking on the buy or sell option, you can buy or sell your selected cryptocurrency. In this section, you can select any cryptocurrency you want and proceed with your trades. The next section is related to futures. Futures trading involves contracts backed by USDT. These trades allow traders to use leverage up to 100 times and are suitable for professional traders. In this section as well, by clicking on the buy and sell options, you can start your buying and selling. The next section is related to markets. In this section, you can view the markets and explore and discover new cryptocurrencies, as well as monitor real-time prices, trading volumes, and market changes. In this section, you can add cryptocurrencies to your favorites list by turning on the star next to each cryptocurrency. This will add it to your favorites, and at the top, you can review cryptocurrencies in 3 different categories. In the table below, by selecting any cryptocurrency and clicking on the trade option, you will enter that cryptocurrency's market and can carry out your trades. The next section is related to margin. Margin trading provides up to 10 times leverage for larger trades, allowing you to increase both your potential profit and risk in this section. The ability to borrow assets for trading is available in this section. The next section is about competition. In this section, you can participate in trading competitions with attractive prizes. There is a variety of competitions such as spot, futures, and others, making it suitable for improving your skills and boosting motivation. In this section, you can view all active and upcoming competitions, and by clicking on the details option, the specific information about each competition will open up for you to review. If you wish to participate in a competition, you can enter it by clicking the Participate option. The next section is about the WBT ecosystem, which includes several subcategories. The first part, WBT, is the native token of the White Chain network in the WhiteBIT ecosystem, and it lies at the heart of the WhiteBIT blockchain ecosystem. This ecosystem includes a collection of innovative products and services that help users have a seamless experience in trading, payments, digital identity management, and even mining. Upgrade your level and receive special benefits with WBT through Boost. This is a feature where users, by holding WBT tokens, are able to benefit from unique advantages on the WhiteBIT exchange. This section is designed as a reward engine for loyal users and offers various features, including an 80% discount on taker trading fees and a 100% discount on maker trading fees. It also offers referral and invitation benefits, which include increasing the referral rate up to 50%, allowing traders to earn more profit through referrals by inviting others. Additionally, it provides enhanced security and more free services, including up to 1,000 free daily transactions for withdrawing BRC20 and Ethereum tokens, as well as up to 500 free AML checks per day. Receiving new deposit addresses to enhance transaction security is one of the services offered in this section. Users who hold at least 10 WBT in holding mode can participate in the WhiteBIT Launchpad and purchase tokens of new projects before they are listed on the market. You can increase your balance and join the active Boost users by using the Buy WBT and Transfer buttons. Boost is a practical and strategic program for loyal users, where by holding WBT, not only do they reduce their fees, but they also enjoy numerous financial and security benefits. If you want to increase your activity level on WhiteBIT, holding the WBT token is the best place to start. The next section is about WhiteChain. This section is about a fast and secure blockchain built on the Proof of Authority POA algorithm. This network provides the technical infrastructure for many products in the WBT ecosystem. By clicking the Watch Video option, you can watch the related video for this section on YouTube. The next section is about White Market, which is an innovative marketplace for CS2 skins. It's an advanced peer-to-peer platform for buying and selling CS2 game skins. This marketplace benefits from high security and an easy user experience, and it supports cryptocurrencies as a payment method. By logging in, you will be able to purchase the skins you want. The next section is about WhiteBIT Voucher, digital and physical recharge cards. Traders can use WhiteBIT vouchers to top up their accounts or send cryptocurrency balances to others. These cards are available in both digital and physical versions, making them suitable for everyday use or as gifts. By clicking on the Buy or Become Our Partner options, you can start your registration for this service. The next section is about WBSoul. The WBSoul service allows users to securely and transparently create their digital identity on the WhiteChain network, and this identity serves as a bridge between your account on the WhiteBIT exchange and the WhiteChain blockchain. By clicking on the Create My Soul option, you can create this, and by selecting Learn More, you can read further details about this section. The next section is about WhitePay, cryptocurrency payment solutions. WhitePay is a solution for businesses and charities that enables them to make or receive payments in cryptocurrency. This system is simple, transparent, and fully compatible with blockchain. By clicking the Start option, you can begin making payments through this method. The next section is about WhiteSwap. WhiteSwap is a DEX, or decentralized exchange, that allows you to swap or exchange tokens on the Ethereum, Tron, and Polygon networks. This platform combines high security with simple usability. By clicking the Swap Now option, you can start swapping your tokens. In this section, to use the swap feature, you first need to connect a wallet like MetaMask or other Web3 wallets to this platform. After connecting your wallet, this button will change to the swap option and you'll be able to easily swap your tokens. The next section is about Whitepool.
Participating in Bitcoin mining, Whitepool is a new service that allows users to collectively participate in Bitcoin mining. This method increases the efficiency and profitability of mining. By clicking on the expand option, you can start participating in Bitcoin mining, and by selecting the help center option, you can request assistance from WhiteBIT support regarding this section or ask any questions you may have. This section is suitable for miners who are looking for stable income, lower costs, and flexibility in using the mined Bitcoin. Whether you are a professional miner or have just entered this field, Whitepool, with its simple user interface and strong technical features, is the ideal option for starting and continuing your mining journey. At the bottom of the page, it explains why you should choose Whitepool. Because of the rapid conversion of earnings to fiat currencies, the ability to convert income from Bitcoin mining into common fiat currencies, and support for various payment methods, including Visa and MasterCard cards and more. The next section is about how to buy crypto, which covers the steps for quickly purchasing cryptocurrency on WhiteBIT. The first part is about KYC. To get started, you first need to complete your identity verification process. The second part is about depositing funds into your account. After your identity is verified, you can fund your WhiteBIT account using payment methods such as bank card, bank transfer, or depositing cryptocurrency. And the third step is quickly buying cryptocurrency through the Convert section. Through the Convert tab in the dashboard, simply and carefully choose from the list of specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to use. Then select the currency you wish to buy, enter the desired amount here, and by clicking the continue option, we will convert USDT to Bitcoin for you, step by step. At this stage, we need to confirm that we have read and accepted all the terms and conditions related to deposits and withdrawals. In this section, the amount we are paying is displayed, which is about 10 USDT. In the second section, the amount we will receive is shown. In exchange for 10 USDT, we will receive this amount of Bitcoin. And in the no additional fees section, there are no hidden charges, and the exact amount of Bitcoin shown will be directly deposited into our account. Further down the page, you can clearly see the real-time exchange rate displayed, and by simply clicking the refresh button, you are able to get the most up-to-date updated rate if it happens to change. This ensures you always have the latest information at your fingertips. By clicking the accept option, our cryptocurrency conversion was successfully completed. We click on the Go to Balances option, and as you can see, we have purchased Bitcoin in exchange for USDT. This method is very suitable for beginners or those for whom the speed of purchase is important because it doesn't require market analysis knowledge or working with limit or market orders. The next section is about deposits and withdrawals on the WhiteBIT exchange. By clicking the deposit button in this section, we enter the account funding page. In the currency section, select your desired currency, and in the payment method section, you can fund your account using two different methods. We select the first option and choose the desired network for funding via USDT TRC20. And in this section, a QR code is displayed for us, which we can scan using our mobile wallet to fund our account. And by copying the address into the wallet, we can transfer funds from our wallet to our trading account on the WhiteBIT exchange. Please note that after selecting the cryptocurrency, sending any other type of cryptocurrency to that address may result in the complete loss of your assets, and we must only send USDT to this address. Avoid sending via smart contract. Some wallets or exchanges use the smart contract method when transferring. In this case, your sent amount may not be processed correctly or may not be recoverable. Always check the network type and the source of the transfer before sending. And in the history section, you can review your deposit and withdrawal history. By applying filters in this section, your deposit and withdrawal transactions will be filtered accordingly.
The next section is related to withdrawing from your account. By going to this section and selecting the withdraw option, you will enter the page related to withdrawing from your account. Select your desired currency, choose the preferred network, and by entering the wallet address, complete the withdrawal process. By clicking the Continue button, the amount will be deducted from your account and transferred to your wallet. Most currencies will be transferred to the destination wallet within a few minutes and after a few confirmations. As soon as the withdrawal is completed and sent, a confirmation email will be sent to you. A very important point when withdrawing is to check the network. Make sure that the selected network in WhiteBIT matches the network of the destination wallet, as sending to the wrong network may result in the loss of your assets. The withdrawal address must correspond exactly to the same cryptocurrency and the same network. For some cryptocurrencies such as XRP, entering a tag is mandatory. Failing to enter it may result in the loss of your funds. Never send currency to addresses that belong to smart contracts, as in this case your assets will be irretrievable. For most cryptocurrencies, there is no minimum deposit amount specified. However, if the amount sent is less than the network fee, the transaction may not reach your wallet. If your withdrawal amount is less than the specified minimum, the withdrawal will not be processed. When depositing from an exchange or wallet, always make sure that the amount you send after deducting that exchange's fee is greater than the minimum required by WhiteBIT. The next section is about the different parts of the user account dashboard and the organizational level features in the WhiteBIT exchange. The first part is related to the main account, where at the top of the page you can see your username and the account level, which is currently basic. By clicking on this option, you enter the general account settings, which is one of the important tools for professional traders. In the general settings section, you can see the sub-account area. The key features of sub-accounts include testing different strategies without affecting the main account, managing funds separately, the ability to train or delegate part of the trading to others, and they are suitable for trading teams and investors with educational projects. A sub-account allows you to have several subsidiary accounts. For example, you can have one account for futures trading, one for spot trading, and another for teaching your students. To activate a sub-account, two-factor authentication must be enabled, and by clicking the Continue option, you will enter the steps to create a sub-account. The next section is the nickname, which refers to the username and can be changed for identification on the platform. The next section is related to the communication language. You can select the language for messages and emails through this option. The following section concerns leverage, where you can set the leverage amount for futures trading from this section. By selecting your desired leverage and clicking the Save option, you can change the leverage of your account. The next section is the futures position mode. You can choose the trading mode in your futures account, either one-way mode or hedge mode, and by selecting one and clicking Save, you can change your trading mode. The next section is related to sub-accounts, which we have already explained. The following section concerns the security of your account. In this section, you can review your account login password, enable two-factor authentication, manage devices, and more. In the Change Password section, by entering your old password and then your new password here and clicking Save, you can change your account login password. In the two-factor authentication activation section, you can enhance your account security by selecting any of these options. In the Allow List section, you can manage the devices that have access to your WhiteBIT exchange account. In the Billing Details section, by entering your banking information, you can easily and more quickly withdraw funds from your account. The next section is related to partnership subscriptions. In this section, you can manage your affiliate link settings and review more details and information about it. The next section is about anti-phishing. In this section, by clicking the Continue option, you can create an anti-phishing code for your emails. The next section is about logout time, where you can set the automatic logout time for your trading account on WhiteBIT Exchange. The next section is device management, which shows you the devices that have accessed your trading account. You can review these details thoroughly. The next section is about login history, which informs you about the systems that have accessed your account, including the time, IP address, and country from which your account was accessed. In the Web3 login, QR code, and app authorization sections, you can try logging into your account using new and more secure methods. And in the API section, which includes API keys and webhooks, you can manage account connections and API keys for professional trading through these sections. This section is essentially the general account settings, where you can enhance your security. You can change the communication language or adjust your trading leverage. The next section relates to activities, where you can review your transactions and orders. By selecting the deposit option, you can fund your account, and by clicking on Go to Trade, you are taken directly to your trading section. In this section, the symbol name and real-time information related to the symbol are displayed for you. Using the buy and sell options, you can open your position by entering the required information. After entering the details for purchasing cryptocurrency, you click on Buy BTC and a page will open where, by selecting the Confirm option, you can review your open orders in the Open Orders section. We return to the activity section, and since we have an open order, we can review our orders in this section. And since we have placed an open order, it is displayed for us in the orders section. By clicking on Cancel All, if there are any other open orders besides this one, all of them will be closed. By clicking the Cancel Order option, we close our open order, and currently there are no active orders to be displayed in this section. The next section is related to analytics. In the Analytics section, you can view and review statistical reports of your trades and assets. And in the Referral Details section, the details related to your referral link are displayed to you. Your unique referral link is available in this section, and by copying and sending it to others, you can invite your friends and acquaintances to the WhiteBIT exchange and earn commission. The next section is related to verification, where you complete the identity verification process. And currently, our KYC has been successfully accepted and completed by the exchange. The next section is related to KYB, which is specifically for organizational verification for corporate clients. If you wish to join this section by clicking on Get Link, your unique link will be displayed to you. The next section is about settings, which, as we explained, is for managing language, user interface, and notifications. If you wish to manage or change any of these options, you can do so by clicking the Edit button. The next section is related to security, which we have also explained to you in full. It covers enabling two-factor authentication, setting passwords, session management, and other core features. And the next section is related to the API. This section provides access to API keys for algorithmic traders. Each of these sections plays an important role in the professional management of your account. For example, take the security section very seriously to protect your account against hacking. And the last section, which is related to signing out by selecting this option, you can securely log out of your account on this exchange. The next section, which is one of the most important for any trader, is the support section. The support section consists of two parts. The first part is Support You, which has a help center. This section includes comprehensive and complete articles on all topics, from registration and deposits to futures trading and account security. This section is suitable for beginner users who are able to solve common issues without needing to contact support directly. By searching for their desired topics in the search bar, they can find the answers they need. The next part is related to creating a ticket. If your issue is more specialized or you need direct assistance, you can use the Create Ticket section, and by filling out the form you see, submit your case to the support team. By clicking the Submit option, your request will be sent to support, and they will follow up with you through your registered email address. The next section is related to My Tickets. After submitting your request, you can check the response status from the My Tickets section. The next section is about Call Us. In the Call Us section, you can see the support phone numbers for the WhiteBIT exchange. The two numbers at the top are for Ukrainian and English languages, and the number at the bottom is for international calls. In the Messengers section, if you prefer, you can communicate more easily via WhatsApp. All you need to do is click on the WhatsApp option and send a message directly. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the live chat icon. By selecting your desired category, you'll first be connected to the automated response bot, and if you wish to speak with a human support agent, you can indicate in the chat that you'd like to talk to a human. In the next step, after you select your preferred language, we choose the age option and you will be connected to a human support agent. After a few seconds, a human support agent will respond to you. Overall, the support section of the WhiteBIT exchange is comprehensive, fast, and multilingual. Whether you can solve your problem through an article or need to contact support via ticket, message, or live chat, you can get help from WhiteBIT support. If any part needs further explanation or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.